What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well, and this is the video you all have been looking forward to. I know I've been away for a while, and yeah, so as the title says, I will be revealing my new car in this video. So before I show you guys my new car, I just want to let you guys know, follow me on Instagram, @officialbighus, and on Instagram I put a poll up recently asking you guys what car do you think I have, but surprisingly most of you guessed it right, so well done for that. And now let's begin with this video. So guys, here it is. It's the BMW 318D. Of course, I got in diesel and it's black. As you can see, I've got 17-inch alloys. And I've already tinted the rear windows. And as you can also clearly see, I've got my private reg on it. Now let's start this beast. Excuse the mess inside. Don't know what that's doing. Right, so manual, let's start it. And I forgot to mention, it's got the BMW projector lights already installed. So guys, I'm going to show you how this beast drives like. So you can hear the diesel sounds so good. I do plan on tuning the exhaust for this. So yeah, I've got so many mods planned for this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know this video was short, and I really appreciate all the support I'm getting. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. And yeah, this is my new car. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with everyone. I'm out. Peace.